Hi guys, replacing a wheel cover or hubcap for my car. Just picked up an aftermarket wheel cover. It's not the same as the rest of the three on my car here, but got it for like $2 here, you can see, and it looks better than what's without having one. So I'm going to replace that today. Not really familiar with these. I think I've done it one time before on another car. So it comes with a ring. It's a pretty standard ones that you can get at the auto parts store. They come in fours. I think they're around, I don't know, 35, 40 bucks for a pack of four usually, something like that. So make sure you have the right size. You can see the size on them down here usually. This is a 14-inch. If you don't know what size wheel you have, just Google it or go online and put your model and year of your car. It should tell you. The ring here, okay, needs to be on the inside. Reason being is you have these tabs here. If you just push it on without the ring, more than likely there's not going to be enough tension to stay on the wheel. So these rings add tension to that. You don't want them on the outside. That's not going to do anything at all, having the ring on the outside. There's a little groove here for the valve stem. Okay, so I'm going to put that in place. Also on the ring here, there's a little indentation here, I guess, and that matches up with the valve stem as well. So what I'm going to do is doing this with one hand. So I'm going to go ahead and put this ring on the inside. When I put the ring on the inside, there's grooves right here on each one of these tabs. You want to make sure the ring goes in those grooves. I'll show you that in just a second. Okay, so I've got the ring in the grooves now, and there should be tension when you do this. It's not going to be that easy. I mean, it's easy to do, guys, but there's going to be tension, especially on the last ones you put in place. That's going to, keep these where they're not going to come off your wheel. So as you can see, it's in the groove there, all the way around. Okay, I've got this lined up. It's down, with the valve stem here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the wheel now, guys. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do is match up the groove here for the valve stem. Just get it in place as far as I can all the way around. Okay, I've got the bottom in. I'm gonna hold that with my foot. Okay, see the little ring here? See how it's gonna go in place there? It's gonna snap in there. So I've got, I think, like 3 of them that need to snap. 1, 2, and then there are 4. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop it right here, guys, my hand. Okay, so let's try it up here. You have to put the camera down, use 2 hands for that. There it is. It's on really nice and secure. Really easy to do. Hope it helps, guys. Thanks for watching. Until next time, take care.